Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video, we are building an AI-powered to-do list app using Replit Agent. We'll explore how AI can help automate and manage tasks efficiently. So let's dive into the computer screen. Now, let's open our favorite browser. My favorite browser is Google Chrome. Next, type Replit Agent into the search bar and hit enter. Now click on the first website that appears. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain what Replit Agent is. Replit Agent is an online AI powered coding assistant just like Cursor AI. It helps coders write, debug, and improve their code effortlessly. Alright, now you need to log in to get started. So I'll just log into my account. Okay, I'm logged in. Now let's get the fun part. In the prompt box, I'll type make a to do list app uh, app with a modern modern interface and feel look and feel. Okay, so let's enter it, and it is making. So let's hit approve, plan, and start. And okay, it's building our to-do list app now. Once it's done, I'll test the app to see how it works. Wow, this website is crazy. And online AI just built this whole website. I can't believe it. Let's add a task. JASM task. And let's hit add. And it, what? Oh, okay. Okay. Let's go to all and uh, delete this one. And it's actually deleting the task. And this is a task that okay, that I made it. Let's go to completed and let's add a new task, second task. Let's add, and if we go to completed, and it's actually working. Let's check this and let's check this two task, and it is actually working. Okay, it is actually working. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next video.